Your portfolio assignment this week is to design a comprehensive assessment plan as part of a unit that you teach in your class. You will first identify a unit that you teach and describe the audience, the objectives, the standards, and the activities associated with the unit. This provides the background for the assessment plan. In Part 2, we will first identify 3 formative assessments that will support the objectives of your unit. For each of the 3 formative assessments you identify, you will also discuss how you would measure the student progress and how you would provide meaningful feedback based upon that student progress. Remember, you need to use at least one Web 2.0 tool as one of the 3 formative assessments. Next, you will design a summative assessment rubric for your unit. The last step is to include at least one student work example or sample in your assessment plan. Let's take a look at one of the 2 samples that we have provided for you. Scroll over to the left navigation bar and you will see there are 2 examples. Let's look at first at 6.2 example 1. On the first page of this student's project, we see the overview of the unit that they are teaching. In one of the subpages of the wiki, there is a description of each of the 3 formative assessments that will be used. Note that they will utilize VoiceThread, a Web 2.0 tool, but they also are using a traditional quiz. When we click on the next subpage, we find the steps for the Science Fair Wiki project. The next page has the summative rubric, and the last subpage has the student sample. Now let's look how another student created their comprehensive assessment plan. This is an example on an interview skills unit. On the left side, we get the overview of the unit itself. Next, there is a description of the 3 formative assessments. After that, we see the summative assessment plan. And on the right side of the wiki site, there are resources and a student example. Well, enjoy Module 6. You may find that you really need to calendar your time this week to get all the projects done in a timely fashion. See you online.